Okay, we're back here on the Crazy Domains website. You should have already set up your domain name just by going through the previous video, and you should have been sent an email with the details that you've registered that domain name. Okay, if you didn't go through on that first video, and you would have noticed that you could have bought the web hosting and your domain together. Okay, just for that purpose of that video, I only made it so you registered the domain name. But you can also, with your web hosting, you can just come straight back to the Crazy Domains website, and this is where you're going to be getting your web hosting from. Okay, you're going to need web hosting for your domain name. Okay, simple as that. You can't do it without it, and all you need to do, it's very simple to set up, especially if you're using the same provider that you've got your domain through. Okay, so that's the reason why I use Crazy Domains, just simply because you can have everything in the one spot, and the portal to control your website and your emails it's all in one spot, so it's super easy. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your hosting. So what you need to do is come back to the site and click web hosting. Okay, and on the drop down menu you're just going to hit web hosting right here. That's going to take you through to the next page here, where it lists everything about the type of hosting it is, Australia's #1 web hosting service. You get unlimited web space, and you also get that free 24/7 support, which is very handy if you have any problems in the future. I've used the support system through Crazy Domains for a few things, and the response rate was super fast. Okay, so I'm happy with them. That's what I use right now, and it's super simple being in the same spot as registering your domain name. Okay, and everything's all instant activation, so if you've got your domain name, it's a couple of clicks and you're going to have your website up and going in a matter of minutes. So as you can see down the bottom here, you've got different plans to choose from. Okay, so there's obviously starting from like $2.20 or $25 a month, depending on the size of your website. Okay, so 150 gig, 500 gigs, $3 a month. I'm not too sure of all this kind of sizing, whether it matters or not, or affects the speed. But if you look down here, you'll see that you can only host one website. You get 100 email addresses, unlimited bandwidth, and you get that tech support. Okay, I use for my website, I use the unlimited business account right here, simply because you get unlimited web space, unlimited emails, unlimited database, unlimited websites, pretty much everything unlimited. Okay, and you also get that 24/7 support with that as well. Okay, so it says here $3.99 a month. That's a bit deceiving, what it says there. That's based on a 10-year hosting plan. Okay, so what you're going to do is if you click through on the next page, you'll see how much it is for a year. So I'd recommend going through with the unlimited business hosting. Okay, so we're just going to click the buy now button, and that's going to take us through to the next page here. And as you can see, like I said before, the $3.99 was based on 120 months. I don't even know how many years that is. So yeah, 10 years. Okay, so for the 1 year, it works out about $8 a month. Okay, which is another super easy investment to make, for the value that you're going to be able to create for your business. Okay, so for 12 months, I just recommend clicking that. Okay, down here, it's going to have all these upgrades. Don't worry about any of these upgrades. Okay, so that box should already be checked. Okay, so from here, obviously in that video beforehand, you registered your domain name. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, this is where you're going to type that domain name. Okay, so all you need to do is type in that domain that you just registered, and then you're going to click I own this domain. Okay, so for instance, we're going to go my website Worx demo. Actually, let's just do this one, .com. Okay, and we're going to go I own. Oh, it's already got. Okay, so we'll just put this demo.com. Okay, so obviously this is where you're going to be putting your email. So not your email, your domain name. Okay, and you click I own this domain, and then from there you'll see that you have to pay for this in an upfront payment. Okay, it works out to be that about $8 a month, but you have to do it in one payment. Okay, so it's under $100 for the whole year, which is pretty good. Okay, and it's up there with one of the cheapest hosting prices around. Okay, so that's what I use for my business and my blog and my website, and I found them very, very supportive and super easy to use. Okay, so from there you need to go continue domain. So continue the order. Okay, and already from before, okay, you should have your member details. Okay, so you're just going to need to click your username and your password and log in. Okay, and then from there, as you can see up here, it's going to take you through to the next page, which is going to be your payment page. Okay, and that's going to be the same process as we did for our domain. Okay, I'm not going to go through it because I don't want to register anything else, and I don't think it's going to let me go through, but I'm just showing you the process of how to do things super easy and everything broken down for you. So as you can see, you should be logging in here, and that's going to take you through to the next page with your payment page. Okay, and then you just go through and do that, and then it's going to say complete order. Hit that complete order button, and then from there it's going to send you another email with your hosting confirmation email. Okay, so it's going to be from Crazy Domains again, that email, and it's going to have all your hosting details. Because you've registered your domain name as well with Crazy Domains, okay, it's going to actually automatically sync up your hosting for you. Okay, which is super good. Okay, nice and fast, everything's done for you already. Okay, in a few videos to come, if you've got if you've already got your domain name and you want to know how to change the hosting, I'm going to put a few videos together and show you how to do that. This video is just strictly for newbies coming through. Okay, so that's how you set up your hosting, and in the next few videos we'll expand on setting up everything else to do with the foundations for your website.